how to change your profile picture on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Roblox. To change your profile picture in Roblox, start by visiting roblox.com and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile from the top right corner. Here, you will see your current profile picture, but there is no option to change it directly. Instead, click on the menu in the top left corner and select the third option, that is Avatar, to edit your profile. From here, you can choose different characters, clothing, accessories, hats, body types, and animations to customize your profile picture. Once you're done customizing, scroll down to discover even more options. You can also increase or decrease your body type if you would like. After you've finished customizing your profile picture, go back to the home page. You will see that your profile picture has been updated. That's all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.